Hi, welcome back my friend. I'm sure you're enjoying all my previous videos. If you not watched them, please watch them again because it goes step by step this lesson. Now this is the method which you're going to learn now is called ELMAN induction. Now, I have learned this in 1996. I learned it, 1996 started teaching and using it all the time. Now, if you want the Development induction somewhere else, there were different methods. I have just changed it to Indianize it a little bit and make it more simple for the person who are doing it. Development induction is a very powerful method. Once I have experienced this, that when you do use this development induction properly on somebody, it take around 3 to 4 minutes. I take 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes when I am doing on somebody. And it has a built-in indication to tell you how the person is responding, how he is doing well, and then you can do hypnotic anesthesia, you can teach them self-hypnosis, and you can do therapy. So this is a powerful method. Remember, if you have not watched the video on hypnotic symptoms, watch them again. So I'll tell you what are the symptoms and observe the symptoms when I'm doing on Sanjana. So watch it carefully, and it's a very powerful method, simple method which you can learn by watching me and then practice on somebody. So watch it right now and come back to later on. Welcome back again. I am sure really enjoying the videos on YouTube and wherever it is posted. And now I'm seeing that you're already watching some of my videos, already practicing it. Now this is a very unique technique which I got in India in 1996. It's a technique called ELMAN induction. Now I'll give you a demo on ELMAN induction. So watch it. Get ready now. Sanjana, are you ready?
Yes.
So the exercise which we have done in the previous exercise, I ask you to close your eyes and pretend. We'll go from there and move on to the next level.
Okay.
And you'll be really, really relaxed. Okay. Enjoy. Now, remember when you're doing on opposite sex, take their permission. Is it okay I touch you on the shoulder, your hand, your forehead? Is it okay with you?
Yeah.
Now she is thinking, she's giving me a permission. I'm touching and then asking. This is called hypnotic touching.
That was funny.
That was funny, right? Now, we have to make the video funny so people will watch and enjoy, right?
Okay.
So, sit comfortably, hands loosely in your lap. Remember, you are the in charge, they need to follow your instructions. And another important thing, you're doing on somebody, make sure they are interested in doing it, don't force it. We need to have a compliance, means they should be willing to follow your instructions. So, ready, madam?
Yes.
So, look at my hand, take a deep breath. And as you exhale, close your eyes down. That's right. This is the first part. Now pretend that all the muscles surrounding your both the eyelids are so heavy, so relaxed to the point that the muscles won't work at all and your eyelids are stuck in a downward position. Now want it happen, make it happen, let it happen. I can't do it, you have to do it. When you're doing really well, I want you to try to open your eyes, but make sure it won't work at all. Stop trying, keep your eyes closed, and the same quality of relaxation from your eyelids to the top of your head, then down to the tips of your toes. Feel a wonderful wave of relaxation going down to the point. All the muscles and nerves in the body completely loose, limp and relaxed. Feel a blanket of relaxation covering your whole body. And with each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper and deeper. Now in a moment, I'll ask you to open and close your eyes. At the moment you close your eyes, it will be trigger for you to make your whole body 10 times more deeply relaxed than now. Loose, limp and relaxed than now. And you can do it. It's easy and fun. So get ready now. Open your eyes and close your eyes down and sleep. Very, very deeply and comfortably relaxed. 10 times deeply and comfortably relaxed. That's right. You're doing a wonderful job. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. Okay, again in a moment I'll ask you to open and close your eyes. The moment you close your eyes, trigger for you to make your whole body twice deeply relaxed than now. And you can do it. It's easy and fun. So get ready now. Open your eyes. Open and close your eyes down and sleep now. Very, very deeply and comfortably relaxed. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper and deeper. That's wonderful. You're doing a wonderful job. In a moment again, I'll ask you to open and close your eyes. And this time when you close your eyes, allow your whole body to become twice deeply relaxed than now. And you can do it. It's easy and fun. Let's get ready now. Open your eyes and close your eyes down and sleep now. Very, very deeply and comfortably relaxed. Your whole body is completely loose, limp and relaxed. Completely loose, limp and relaxed. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. Now that's why the hand drop to check how the person is relaxed. And now that was physical relaxation. I want you to mentally relax. There are three levels of mental relaxation: level A, B, and C. A is 10 times deeper than now, B is twice deeper than A, and C is the deepest, which is twice deeper than B. So I want you to go to level A, which is 10 times deeper than now. It may be going down the staircase, going up, or whatever way you feel comfortable with. And once you are there, try to speak A. Stop trying, you're at level A, very deeply and comfortable. I want to go to level B. It is again going down the staircase, going up, or whatever way you feel comfortable with. And once you are there, try to speak B. Good. Continue to go deeper and deeper. With each and every breath you exhale, go deeper and deeper. Now I want you to again go to level C, which is the deepest. And once you are there, I want you to try to speak C. Stop trying, you're at level C, very deeply relaxed, comfortably relaxed, and all the discomfort is gone from your right hand. All the discomfort is gone from your right hand. Whatever you do over here, feel no discomfort at all. In fact, whatever you do over here will take you deeper into relaxation. Keep your mind focused on relaxing and pretending. That's right, you're doing a wonderful job. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. That's right. At the count of 3, you will come back here now, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than before. At the count of 3, open your eyes, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than 1. Feel the energy coming back into your body from all directions. 2, become aware of your surroundings. And 3, open your eyes and notice how good you feel. Feel relaxed. I was working over right hand. Did you feel any discomfort?
I felt my entire body got
No, I was working over right hand over here. Did you feel any discomfort?
No.
Look at my nail mark. I pinched you very hard.
No, I did not feel anything.
You didn't feel anything. No. So what I did on her is, I first used the Dev Element induction, which I explained to you later on how to do it. And then she was in the deep state of, but when you use Dev Element induction, the person goes very first time in a deep stage of hypnosis, and it works 95% of the time. And then I gave her hypnotic suggestion for anesthesia. I pinched her on her hand. She just, you even feel my touch or no? Not even the touch.
At all.
Nothing at all. I pinched her, and there's a nail mark. Still the nail marks are there very visibly. Am I right? So anesthesia was done. You can teach self-hypnosis to the person. So my friend, this is a demo on Dev Element induction, and I'll explain to you in a later videos how to do it. So keep watching our video. Subscribe to our channel if you are not yet done, and then click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever we put a new video. So you'll be the first few person to get the notification and watch the video first. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share your video to your friends and other people. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Keep looking for the new videos. I'll be coming out with a lot of videos. Thank you very much. Hi my friend, you really enjoyed this video? Watch it carefully 3-4 times so you can learn it, and everything my experience is any method which you learn, by the time you do it 3rd time, you have learned and mastered it. So get a chance and do it right now on somebody immediately, next 2-3 days time, and every time you do it, watch first and then do it. Watch first and then do it, so that if you miss off certain step, doesn't matter, but you can still do it. Now my friend, this is a powerful method. I use it all the time. And now, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell button, notification button, so that you get notified for every time we upload a new video. A lot of new videos are coming on hypnotic induction, and this is a powerful method which you have seen here. It's called Dev Element induction, but I have changed it a little bit to suit Indians, because in normal Dev Element method, people they don't, they just normally they use the method called forgetting numbers. But sometimes I find out in India we don't like to forget the number, so I change it to ABC. Going to ABC. Now remember, when you are doing ABC, there is an important thing in ABC. Never say A. You have to say try to speak A. Try is negative. And then you wait for some time. If they say A, fine. Sometimes people are trying to say but not able to say. Say stop trying. Now you're at level A. Then same thing with the B and C. So my friend, watch this video again few more times. This method I especially request you to watch at least 5 to 6 times and then do it at least 3 to 4 people as soon as possible so you master it. Now subscribe to the channel again. I remind you, click on the button on notification button so you get notified for all new videos and many more videos coming. Like and share. And if you want to attend a live training program, go to the link below, pradeepaggarwal.com/mh, and where you get a chance to practice these techniques on number of people and become a hypnotist. No, not a hypnotist. You become the hypnotist. We'll teach you everything, give you a demo, and then you practice. So looking forward to seeing you soon personally in my live seminar. Thank you very much.